If SketchUp is showing error 112, crashing on launch, or refusing to open properly, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes and the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This can happen because of file corruption, a layer mismatch in layout, low disk space, or even an unexpected file format issue. And if SketchUp crashes before you can open the extension manager, I'll also show you how to remove plugins manually so you can isolate the problem and get back to work. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, if the error is happening with a specific project file, the file itself may be damaged. The easiest first step is to use Save As and create a fresh copy of the file. Open the file if you still can, then save it under a new name. This can sometimes clear out hidden corruption and give you a clean version to keep working with. If the file still opens after that, test it again and see whether the error is gone. If you're working in layout and SketchUp is reporting an issue with layers, it may be a layer mismatch. Sometimes layout thinks the document has more layers than it actually does, or the layer data gets out of sync. In that case, the best fix is often to revert to a previously saved version of the file. If you have backups or an older version that open normally, try that first instead of continuing with a broken copy. That can save a lot of time compared to repairing a corrupted document manually. Next, check your disk space. A surprisingly common reason for SketchUp errors is simply that the hard drive is too full. Make sure you have enough free space on your computer, especially on the drive where SketchUp is installed and where your files are saved. If storage is almost full, delete temporary files, clear out old downloads, or move large files to another drive. Then restart SketchUp and try again. Sometimes that alone is enough to fix the issue. Another possible cause is an unexpected file format. SketchUp may throw error 112 if it cannot recognize the file format or if the file was saved in a way it doesn't like. Double check that you're opening the correct type of file and that it hasn't been renamed incorrectly. If the file came from another program or another version of SketchUp, try exporting or resaving it into a more compatible format before reopening it. Now, if SketchUp is crashing before you can even open the extension manager, the problem may be a bad extension or plugin. In that case, you need to remove them manually. First, open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar. %appdata %/SketchUp 2026 /SketchUp /plugins. Once you're in the plugins folder, cut all the files inside it and paste them into a temporary folder on your desktop. This temporarily disables every plugin without deleting them, so you can test whether one of them is causing the crash. After that, launch SketchUp again. If the issue was caused by an extension, SketchUp should now load much faster and without the crash. If SketchUp opens normally after removing the plugins, the next step is to narrow down which one is causing the problem. Add the files back one by one, then relaunch SketchUp after each one. When the crash returns, you found the extension or plugin that's causing the issue. From there, you can leave that file out, update it, or replace it with a safer version. This process is the fastest way to troubleshoot a SketchUp Error 112 problem when the app won't even open properly. Start with the file itself, check your disk space, verify the format, and if needed, isolate plugins manually. Taking it step by step makes it much easier to find the real cause instead of guessing. If this tutorial helped you fix SketchUp Error 112, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to safely reset SketchUp settings or how to fix common SketchUp startup crashes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.